Akshit, can you tell us about your best friend?
Raghav is my best friend. Raghav is 8 years old. Raghav has one sister.
It is good, Akshit, but instead of using Raghav's name repeatedly, you should use he for Raghav.
But why, ma'am?
We use some words in place of nouns to avoid repetition. Such words are called pronouns.
Oh, I understood now. Let me try again.
Go ahead, Akshit.
Raghav is my best friend. He is 8 years old. He has one sister.
Excellent, Akshit. You used pronouns correctly. We use pronouns so that we do not have to repeat the same noun we are talking about.
But how do we know that we are using it correctly?
I, you, he, she, and it are used in place of singular nouns, and we, you, and they are used in place of plural nouns. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. The words like me, him, her, us, and them are also pronouns.
It's so easy, ma'am.
Yes, Akshit. Once you understand pronouns, you will find them very useful in making your writing and speech smoother.